changed 1,000 times we see. We're born, we live, and then we cease to be. A butterfly brings color, graceful flight. Its silk cocoons transform in gentle light. Stars have been around since first dawn broke. Witness to the tales our lives provoke. They burn and guide through endless nights and days, eternal in their silent cosmic gaze. Oh, butterfly in skies you grace, paint the world with tender trace. Stars above that never tire, illuminate our dreams, inspire. In a field of green where flowers grow, a butterfly will dance and steal the show. Its wings a poem in the summer air, a fleeting moment yet beyond compare. Stars watch from their celestial height, guarding secrets through the night. A butterfly whispers tales untold, new beginnings in each fold. The world may change and I might fade, but stars and butterflies never jade. They speak in colors and in light, a love that's seen in day and night.